Welcome back, folks. Today we're diving into a common problem faced by developers when working with SQLite databases and observable collections. The problem at hand revolves around ensuring that the database automatically updates whenever there's a change in the observable collection. This can be quite the headache, especially when dealing with multiple tabs or controls that rely on the same data source. Now, let's jump into the solution that can help tackle this problem. One approach is to utilize the collection change event from the observable collection to monitor changes in the collection itself. Additionally, for tracking changes in the properties of items within the collection, you can take advantage of the community-toolkit-mvvm NuGet package. By using this package, you can generate properties with built-in change notification, making it easier to handle updates efficiently. In the code snippet provided earlier, you can observe how the observable property, attribute, and partial method onNameChanged work together to handle property changes within the user class. This setup allows you to define specific logic that should execute whenever a property, such as name, undergoes a modification. By leveraging these tools, you can ensure that your database stays in sync with any alterations made to the observable collection automatically. To wrap things up, remember that the key to seamless database updates lies in harnessing the power of observable collections and the community-toolkit-mvvm package. By incorporating these tools into your development workflow, you can streamline the process of keeping your database and UI elements in sync. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Keep coding and stay awesome!